Hello, good afternoon.
Hello, how are you?
I'm doing good, thank you. What is your name?
Leonardo Manzano.
Leonardo. Can you tell me where we're at right now?
I'm sorry?
Can you tell me where we're at right now?
We're about to finish my process. I've been coming for a couple of times and everything's going good, so I'm happy.
Tell me, what has been going on? You said that you've been receiving a lot of mail from offers
Yes,
for credit.
now that everything's, we sent some letters out, now everybody's sending me letters to get credit. And I'm really happy about that because before they didn't do that. So now I can choose who I want to go with.
Have we been showing you proof of all that with the documents?
Yes,
You get them to
everything.
your house, or do we receive them?
I get it.
You get
In
them to
my
your
house,
home.
yes.
Do you recommend us?
Yes, very much. Actually, I got recommended here, so now that everything's coming out right, I'm feeling very happy to send somebody else here.
What is your name?
Leonardo Manzano.
Leonardo. A message that you want to give to the people that are listening, that don't, sometimes they do go to other companies, and I mean, we guarantee the work. Do you think?
I think that if there's no second option, I mean, this is the first thing I came in. I was, a little doubtful because this is my first time. I didn't want to deal with anybody because there's a lot of credit options out there that say they'll help you, but they take your money. So now that everything's coming out, I'm so happy to say that what, anybody that is doubting to come here, just do it because they're gonna take care of you. So
Okay, Leonardo, thank you very much
No
for your
problem.
time, and we'll be with you. Okay?
no
Have a
problem.
nice
Thank
day.
you guys. Thank you.